Greetings, Fright fans. Dr. Gangrene here with another product review. Today I want to talk about a Blu-ray that I picked up really cheap at Walmart, and that is a double feature of The Fog. I'll put it on this side so we can see it better. The Fog and The Howling, double feature, available at Walmart. I picked it up. You know, I was there getting some groceries and whatnot, picking up a few things, and made my way back to the DVD section with my son. They've got a big bin of DVDs on one side and Blu-rays on the other, and the Blu-rays, they were all like $7 something, $7, well, it was right around $7. And I, was kind of looking through them. I usually don't see much in there that I'm interested in, but this time I did, because it's The Fog and The Howling, which is a great double feature. Really like both those movies. So we'll take a closer look at the packaging here. Okay, so here's the Blu-ray. There's the cover. John Carpenter's The Fog, Scream Queen double feature, The Howling. So that's all fine and good. I didn't even notice the Scream Queen double feature thing. I just saw The Fog and Howling when I first grabbed it and was like, yeah, I'll take that. But here's the thing that makes me really mad about buying this, and that is, look at this spine. That is all it says on the spine. Scream Queen double feature. It doesn't even list the movies. So if you go to put this on the shelf with the rest of your movies, you're not going to know what this is from looking at it, because that's all it says is Scream Queen double feature. That could be anything. And honestly, these aren't even movies I think of when I think of Scream Queens, although it does have some fine actresses in it. You know, Adrienne Barbeau and Jamie Lee Curtis in the first one, and Dee Wallace in The Howling. But they're really proud of Scream Queen, whatever that means. So anyway, there's The Fog, there's The Howling, that's the back cover. And then we look inside, and there's your disc. Well, I can't get that turned around here. There's that. And then the inside of the actual cover is really nicely laid out. The Fog on one side and The Howling on the other. So that actually looks really nice. And I'm fine with that, fine with everything about this, except that stupid spine. Who the hell makes these decisions? That's what I want to know. Who looked at that and thought, you know what we really ought to do with this? We really ought to not list what movies these are on the spine and just call it a Scream Queen double feature. That's good enough. Nobody will care. So once again, that's The Fog and The Howling. Double feature, $7, Walmart. You can't go wrong with that. I tell you, these are both really great movies. I haven't watched these yet. We'll probably save them for Halloween because they're both great Halloween movies. I especially really like The Fog. It's probably my favorite John Carpenter soundtrack. Of course, Halloween's great and instant classic, but there's just something about the music for The Fog. I really need to get that soundtrack. I'm going to have to look for that one. That would be a good one to own on vinyl. But anyway, other than that ridiculous spine thing there, it just makes me, it just makes me angry, and I just don't understand. If maybe somebody from Scream Factory can chime in on this and let me know what the thinking was behind just listing Scream Queen double feature and not the movies. But other than that, I don't even know if I'm going to keep this thing when I'm done. I'll watch them. I think I'd rather pick up individual copies of both of these movies to keep long term. I'll keep it and watch it for now because it was a nice cheap investment, but long term I'll probably wind up either giving this away or selling it and pick up the individuals to keep permanently. But anyway, that's it for this week. Let me know what you guys think. Have you picked up a copy of this, and what do you think about that spine thing? Is that not a big deal to you? Do you guys not care? It's enough to irritate me. So anyway, let me know what you guys think down below. So if you haven't clicked subscribe, please do. You can keep notified whenever I post new videos like this one. Lots more new stuff coming up in the future. And until next time, this is Dr. Gangrene saying, stay mad.